What's going on, fam? Before we get into this video, guys, do me a quick favor and just tap that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. It goes a long way to help us grow. Guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about building a laptop gaming setup, and we're going to have a budget of $1,000. This is $1,000 is more on the low end of a gaming setup. And if you're someone that is getting into PC gaming or getting into the gaming setups, and then you're kind of trying to grow your passion for it, and you want to get your feet in the door, and you don't want to have the whole hassle of actually building a whole PC, but you want the experience of PC gaming, and getting off those consoles, and this video will be for you. We're going to talk about what I would do if I had $1,000 and I was looking for a laptop gaming setup, because laptop gaming setups are probably the most underrated gaming setups out there. So without further ado, guys, let's hop right into it. So the gaming laptop that we're going to be looking at for this setup, and the one that I would recommend if you're looking to get into gaming and PC gaming, is the HP Pavilion 2020. It's a gaming laptop that features a 9th generation Intel i5. It has 16 gigabytes of RAM with a 512 gigabyte SSD. It features a backlit keyboard and some pretty solid audio with a webcam. And the graphics card is a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. And the operating system obviously comes with Windows 10. So you'll have everything you need to run just about any game you want, and you can even support a couple monitors with this laptop. This laptop is no joke. It has some power to it, and it comes in at $870, which I think is a very fair price. If you were to buy a PC or with these similar components, it would probably be around $900, $950. You're going to be getting yourself a little bit of a deal here. And it still leaves us room at $870 with a budget of $1,000 to get a solid gaming mouse, and then maybe some other peripherals that you might be interested in to enhance your gaming experience. So let's hop into some of the gaming mouses that we would look at. I'm going to suggest probably 2 to 3 for you, just so you guys have some options. Okay, so the first gaming mouse that I want to look at and kind of introduce you guys to is the Razer Deathatter V2 gaming mouse. It has 20K DPI optical sensor, the fastest gaming mouse switch with RGB lighting, and 8 programmable buttons. This is a solid mouse. It comes in at $70. Razer is a solid brand. You can always expect to get a quality product from them, and that's why 2 of the 3 mice that we're looking at are a Razer brand. I highly recommend going either Razer or Logitech or Corsair if you're looking at mice, because you don't want to buy a cheap mouse if you're looking into competitive or serious gaming, or you're just a competitive person and you don't want any restrictions. So this is a solid mouse for the price, and I recommend it as the first one. The second mouse that we're going to be looking at, guys, is a Logitech G502 Hero High Performance Gaming Mouse, and the listed price is around $80, and it's actually on sale for about $48. So this is actually on at the time of this video. This is actually a pretty good deal. It's a high performance gaming mouse with Logitech's most accurate sensor yet, with up to 16,000 DPI for the ultimate gaming speed. It has 11 customizable buttons and commands, which is super nice comparative to the one that only had 8, and this one is about $20 is cheaper. So this could be good for you. It has mechanical switch button tensioning, which is a metal spring tensioning system, and it's basically the pivot hinges are built into the left-right gaming mouse buttons for a crisp, clean feel with rapid feedback, which is pretty standard in most gaming mouse, but it's pretty nice to have. And an additional feature to this is it has RGB lighting and light sync technology. So if you're trying to customize your gaming setup for the visual appeal, you can link everything together, which is super nice. The Razer Viper Mini Ultralight gaming mouse is the third mouse that we're going to take a look at. It has 8,500 DPI, which is a lot lower than the previous mouse that we've been looking at. But the price of this is the cheapest one on the list, and it comes in at just under $40. So it's not too bad. If you look at some of the features, the lightest zero compromising miniature mouse. It's super small, and if that's something you're looking for, it might be for you. It has faster than traditional mechanical switches. The Razer optical mouse switches with light beam based actuation Registering button presses at the speed of light for absolute control. It does have customizable RGB, which is good, especially for only $40. This is a mouse that you won't. I don't think you'll be upset if you choose to get this mouse, but I don't think you'll be absolutely blown away. If I was you, I would probably go with the Logitech one that we looked at. I think that was probably the best bang for your buck, especially right now as it is on sale. So finally, guys, the last product that I'm going to suggest you get with our $1,000 budget is a solid headset, because with our budget, you're not really going to want to be able to spend on a nice microphone and a nice headphones, so you're going to want to do a headset. I mean, if it was if the budget wasn't a thing, I would recommend getting a nice mic and then some nice headphones to go with it. But if you are balling on a budget, and a headset kind of kills two birds with one stone. So what I'm going to recommend are these Mpow EG3 Pro over-ear gaming headsets. They feature surround sound capability, which is nice, and they're multiple platforms. So if you have a PlayStation or an Xbox or something like that, or you're looking at one of the new consoles, and you can use that for both, basically. It has noise canceling microphone, so it has a pretty solid microphone. It's nothing over here is going to blow you away, but it will have everything you need in order to have a good solid gaming experience. And it is on sale right now, about 10% off, so go check that out. Yeah, so guys, I hope this video brought you some value. I hope you guys learned something, or I hope I could help you guys make a decision if you are looking to get into gaming or PC gaming. I hope this will get you your foot in the door and you can learn some more stuff. If you guys are interested in gaming setups and stuff like that, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Go check out some more of our videos. If you're looking to improve your setup, I have a whole playlist for that. Go check that out. If you guys aren't already following me on Instagram or subscribe to my personal YouTube, I'll link it up top up there, so you go check that out as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day.
I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you chase away my fears. I'm